The ocean floor is covered with a pattern of mountain ranges that should be better understood. A lot of work calculating the continental drift is being done. The relations between the continents are above doubt. Backed up by geological, fossil and anthropological evidence. But the calculations are off. Missing an element, the trigger. Once you look at this pattern on the ocean floor, you can really see the action that took place. The drag marks pattern will show a different pace and arrangement for the continental drift. You can identify this trigger by looking down at the ocean floor as a reference. The drag marks pattern, made out of mountain ranges, can tell a lot about the continental drift. A pattern as evident as this cannot be dismissed like that. We overlay NOAA maps of bedrock and gravity. Adjusting the ocean floor to see the continuity of the mountain ranges under the light sediment at the edges. On the paleo map we can see a 2,000 kilometers gap between Australia and Asia path. This wonderful pattern of mountain ranges is all over the ocean floor. Ignored by academics, and named only as natural formations. This is a rough sketch of the drag mark pattern showing the direction of continental movement. The pattern itself is much more complex and rich. Ridges more than 4 kilometers high from top to bottom on the ocean floor, in a pattern of mountains extending thousands of kilometers across the entire ocean floor. I would like to state that if Alfred Wegener, 1880 to 1930, had access to these maps at that time, I would not be here now showing this theory. The drag marks pattern reveals a very different arrangement for the continents. If compared to the current Pangea arrangement or the Paleo map. Is not easy to see at first. But it is there on the bedrock. A more precise course of dispersal for the continental drift can be tracked by the analysis of the drag marks pattern on the ocean floor. It is a little puzzling because some tracks overlap. That's because they had to move at the same time altogether. On this event we call the Pacific Drop event. And the tectonic movement we observe today is the inertia of this original event. You can see for yourself by downloading G-Plates, Paleomap, Poike's maps to compare. And follow the drag marks pattern. There are tutorials and maps on our website and YouTube. youtube.com/@poikestheory. This paper is dedicated to my newborn granddaughter, Lilia.